Input functions. A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Python gives us several built-in functions, like the print function. Another built-in function is the input function. The input function allows us to ask users for some text input. Users can input data, and our program will store it for them. This is the syntax. Prompt refers to the information that we'd want our users to enter. Here's how we do it. Let's say you want your users to input their names. First, type the variable name and assign it to this value. Then, add a print function saying hi to your users. When we run the program, we can actually type a value for the prompt in our console. For example, my name is Jessica. On the space provided after enter your name, I can type Jessica. This should automatically print Hi Jessica on the console. For the next example, we'll be using the int function in addition to the input function. We use the int function to ensure that we get a whole number for this code. This should print in the console, and then the user could input their data. Now, let's use the def keyword to create our own function addNum. The def keyword allows us to take a long block of code and shorten it so that it can be used again if it's needed. Nice one! So what did we learn in this video? We learned about the input function, the int function. That's all for today. In the next lesson, we will discuss data types and conversion. See you next time!